Hi everyone, Izabela Cruz here from the UD Artistry team, and I came with a very special mission to show you something I have in my hand. Naked Cherry, guys, please keep on watching. I'm gonna tell everything about this amazing thrilling collection. This is Naked Cherry, guys. I'm gonna open because you need to see the amazing shades that this palette comes with. You have everything from the most girly pink to the most powerful burgundy colors, and you can go out beautifully for any time of the day, for any occasion, and still is very flattering for any complexion color. I think by far is the most flattering naked palette I haven't seen in the market, and I just like to swatch my favorite colors. So this is Turn On. Look at how beautiful is this color. It's the perfect pink with gold undertone that we're always looking for. It's so hard to find. And then my second favorite color, that's Young Love, and the pigment is crazy. It's just to die for. And what I love about it is that it's the right balance of matte shades in this palette, so easy for you to create beautiful transition colors in your makeup, that we're always aiming to have colors like this. But it's not only this beautiful Naked Cherry goes alone, okay? Let me just introduce you the new 3 shades that are gonna come together with the palette. They're lipsticks, and the one that I'm using, just to give you like a hint, is Cherry, but I could not do it because I have this thing about mixing colors, and I put Devilish just on the center of the lips just to give more of dimension and make my lips plump. You have a third color which is Juicy. It's this sheer metallic that just adds dimension and does make your makeup look over. Who doesn't like all-nighter setting spray? I cannot live without. So Urban Decay has made my mind go crazy with the Cherry all-nighter setting spray. Cherry is like long-lasting as all-nighter and adds the scent of cherry. So while you're wearing the makeup, it feels like so freshy and it smells good. And look at the size, it's just perfect. You just pump in your bag and you're ready for go anywhere. So I hope you're so excited as me with these babies. I can't wait to see what you're gonna create it. Many kisses, bye! Ole!